Hello, hi, good afternoon, Sat Sri Akal, Adab and Namaskar. Now, there was a question in the morning I asked, and it was open question to all of you from class 12 student, right? So the question was, if resistance of 10 ohm, if resistance of 10 ohm are connected with 5 volt source. So this is the question. If a circuit has got three resistances R1, R2 and R3 and all are connected in series with 5 volt source. Fine, this was the condition, right? And second thing, if one of the resistor, so let us assume this resistor was removed from the circuit, the plus and this is minus, and this is 10 ohm and this was removed, any one of the resistor removed from the circuit, that's 10 ohm, any one of the resistor removed from the circuit, then we were asked what is the voltage across this terminal. What is the voltage across the terminal of the removed part, right? So because you are removing 10 ohm resistance from this terminal, so these terminals are open and we are told to ask, and we are told to find the voltage across these open circuited terminals. This is called, we call it open circuit. We call it open circuit, right? In electrical technology term, this condition is called open circuit. So it was very simple problem. It was not a big question. It was very simple problem because you have already gone through the KVL equation. So you can write here KVL equation, right? So if you are writing KVL equation, you will write this 10 I ampere here flowing here and in all the three resistors, because they are connected in series. It is given in the question, because they are connected in series, so same current will flow. So we can apply KVL rule. So we can apply KVL. So what we can write by KVL, right? 10I plus 10I plus 10I and plus 10I and minus 5 is equal to 0. So what will be? I is equal to 5 by 30 ampere. So this is your answer in normal condition. But what is happening here? You are removing any one of the resistor. You can remove this one, you can remove this one, you can remove this one. You are free to remove any one of the resistor, and you are asked to find the voltage across the open circuited terminal. It means in question it was given, find the voltage across the terminal from where the resistor was removed. From where the resistor was removed. This was the question. So let us assume that this V voltage is here. Okay, you can assume Vx voltage. Vx voltage is here. Fine. Now use KVL, because a number of solutions are possible here. A number of solutions, but because you are going through or you have gone through in this chapter KVL equation and KCL equation, Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current law. So I use the same concept to find the voltage here, this Vx. Right? So current, this I is flowing, this I is flowing, this I is flowing, this I is flowing, plus minus, this is plus minus, and again this is plus minus. Fine. But mind it, because this is open circuit, so in open circuit, what happens? In open circuit, what happens? Current is 0. So current doesn't flow. Now write KVL. We can write by KVL. Right? 10 plus 10I and plus Vx and plus 10I minus 5 is equal to 0. So since I is equal to 0 ampere, so this is 0 plus Vx plus 0 minus 5 equal to 0. So Vx is equal to 5 volt. So the voltage across the open circuited terminal is 5 volt. This was the correct answer, 5 volt. So one of my student, he solved 5 volt, but he was unable to explain the right thing. No problem, not at all, because you are in learning process, so you have to learn a lot. So nothing to worry about, nothing here to think over it. Okay, do one thing, whatever you are doing, whatever you are learning, whatever you are using the formula, whatever you are using the concept, you have to be very much perfect, and perfection comes only after regular practice. So you have to do practice a lot, right? You have to solve a number of problems. The more number of problems you are attempting, and the more crystal clear concept you will have. It means कि जितने ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स आप सॉल्व करेंगे उतनी ही ज्यादा आपकी अच्छी पकड़ होगी, बिकॉज नॉट इवन on this earth, not even a single teacher is present who can teach you physics unless you want. And if you want to develop a clear cut concept in physics, in that case you have to go for the practice of numerical problems, and whilst attempting numerical problems, you will use the concept whatever you are learning in the theoretical portion. Okay, so try to solve more and more problems, and that will make you a crystal clear picture of each and every topic, right? So thank you, and nothing to worry about. Rest time. In next time also I'll come up with this type of problem. I'll discuss with you, and I'll make you clear each and everything, every concept. Here nothing was a big story. It was a very simple story, and the story is in open circuit there is no flow of current, and current is zero. So we are using KVL, the same KVL whatever we have applied here, the same KVL we are using here, making I equal to 0. We are getting Vx is equal to 5 volt. So answer was correct. So don't lose your heart. You are eligible for the award, and share with me your contact number or whatever the means you have. I can send you your award to you. Thank you very much.